Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Modalyst to Shopify for US targeted dropshipping, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Modalyst and hit enter. Find the Modalyst app in the search results and click on it. On the Modalyst app page, click the Add App button. You will be redirected to your Shopify store. Review the permissions that Modalyst is requesting and click Install App next. You will be prompted to create a Modalyst. Fill out the required information to set up your new account. Once your Modalyst account is created, return to your Shopify store. Locate the Modalyst app in your Shopify dashboard and open it. Log in using the credentials you just created. Now you're ready to start adding products to your store. Browse through the Modalyst catalog and select the products you want to sell. Click on the products to view more details, then click Add to Shopify. Confirm your selections and allow the products to sync to your store. After syncing, go to your Shopify product catalog to see the newly added items. Edit the product descriptions and pricing as needed. Customize your store settings to reflect your brand. Next, set up your shipping options within the Modalyst app. Ensure your pricing covers shipping costs to your target customers in the US. Now that everything is set up, test the checkout process. Make sure to review the fulfillment process for your selected products. Finally, prepare your marketing strategy to attract US customers. You are now ready to start dropshipping with Modalyst and Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.